Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Yahoo search from Chrome. So as you can see, I'm using the Google Chrome right now, and if I open a new tab, this will bring me to the Yahoo. If I shut down the Chrome and open it again, this is going to open the Yahoo right now. So it means that my search engine in the settings of Chrome is Yahoo right now, and to change it, you want to go and click these three dots right here in the top right corner, and then you want to go to the settings right here. And then on the left side of your screen of the page, you are going to find search engine. So just click on this one, and as you can see, you can select right here the Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, and Yandex. I guess you want to go with the Google, so just select the Google, and once you change that, every time you are going to open a new tab and just close the Chrome, open it again, this will open you the Google. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.